If your income is different every month, a normal budget fights you the whole way. But here's the thing. Most of the time it isn't that you earn too little, it's that the money arrives at the wrong time. This is the irregular income budget, and it fixes the timing. It banks your good months and pays you a steady salary you can actually build a life on. Let me show you how it works. You know the cycle. A big check lands. It feels like you're finally ahead, so the spending loosens. Then a slow month shows up and the panic is right back. So meet Devin, the freelancer whose 8 months of real, uneven income ship inside this file as sample data. Look at the income chart. 5,200 one month, 2,400 the next. Every number in this video comes from Devin's recalculated workbook, and you only ever type in the cream cells. Everything else, the buffer, the waterfall, the tax set aside, fills itself in. This is the heart of it, the buffer. Instead of spending what you earn, you pay yourself a fixed salary. For Devin, $4,000 a month, every month. Look at April. Only 2,400 came in, but the salary is still 4,000. The buffer quietly covered the $1,600 gap. Then the feast months, a $7,200 July. Pay it back and build it up. The balance climbed from 8,000 to 12,600 across the block. Same paycheck every single month. Once you're paying yourself a steady salary, you spend it in a fixed order. The waterfall takes your 4,000 and pours it down. Bills first, 1,600, then essentials, 1,200, then sinking funds for taxes and the car, 700, and savings gets what's left, 500. Every dollar has a job before it arrives, and in a strong stretch you raise your salary, and that savings block at the bottom grows on its own. Here's the mindset shift that ends the panic. Build your budget on your worst month, not your best. Devin's bare-bones baseline, rent, utilities, groceries, the essentials, comes to $2,400 a month. The steady salary is $4,000, which clears that baseline with $1,600 to spare. As long as your salary sits above your worst month, every month is survivable, and the buffer handles the rest. Raise your salary only when the average month can truly hold it, and lifestyle creep never catches you off guard. The other thing that sinks self-employed budgets is the tax bill nobody set money aside for. So this does it automatically. 25% of every single deposit is parked before you can spend it. Across the year, that's $9,150, broken out by quarter, $3,775 ready for the first estimate. Move it to a separate account, and when quarterly taxes are due, the money is already waiting. No scramble. 1 honest minute under the hood. This file runs 440 formulas. Before anything you've seen was filmed, the workbook was recalculated clean, 0 errors, and passed 39 out of 39 independent math checks. The dashboard ties it together, a $12,600 buffer, about 3 months of runway. And every screen in this video is that real file, 4 editions, working the same in Excel and free Google Sheets. So here's the invitation. Set your salary, your tax rate, and your buffer tonight. It takes a couple of minutes. Then log your deposits as they land, and let the buffer turn your lumpy income into a steady paycheck you pay yourself. The irregular income budget is $16.97, one time, for editions, free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy. The link is in the description. You don't have an income problem. You have a timing problem. Let's fix it.